Hey, hey, get up. It's late. To Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Piper does not chew with her mouth closed.
She's so loud.
By the way,
Piper's love language is physical touch.
what are we waiting for? When does it ever turn out the way you planned? I'm not sure that it can.
2 sips in, and I spilt it. 2, 1.
My curtain fell.
Yeah.
It ain't even a curtain, it's just a rod sitting on the thing.
But it's time for something new. Economy of all we've known, worth its weight in the gold. We'll spend in all of our tomorrow.
Good morning, early again. Blair got me up at 4 o'clock this morning. She says, hey, get up. It's late.
I know, I just said it's 4 o'clock. I didn't want to get out of bed.
We are getting on 26 to 95 and 95 all the way to the tip of Florida and beyond. Headed to Key Largo. I've never been to Key Largo before. I've been down to Miami, but that's south. That's about the south I've ever been. So I'm going to go join some family down there for a week or so. We just winterized the rig because where we are right now is going to be chilly. The front just moved through, so it's about to drop into the 20s for a few nights. So didn't want everything to freeze, so we have hooked it up. Now we got a long car ride. But here we go. We got to sing what?
We gotta sing the Beach Boys song.
Which one?
Key Largo, Montego.
Ooh,
Why don't we go?
to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama.
Yeah. Time to go down. 12 minutes of traffic.
Piper does not chew with her mouth closed.
She's so loud.
How's your trip to Florida been, Blair?
Stop and go.
Yeah, we're on 95.
Our ETA when we left this morning was 4 p.m. We're halfway through our drive and our ETA is now 5:30 p.m. Which I expected to happen, but oh well. Some loving going on over there.
Piper's love language is physical touch. Welcome to Key Largo after how many hours on the road?
We left at 5, right before 5 a.m.
From Jacksonville to here.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
It took us, it's 7:30 now. It took us till 7 to get here. So it took us almost 9 hours to get from Jacksonville to here.
Crazy. 95, the turnpike. Traffic's just crazy.
We're
Rats.
also on one of the largest travel days of the year.
Of course. But we're staying at the Moose Lodge because we're Moose members, and our friends, family, we're staying right down the road here. They have a condo here, but Blair and I go on the cheap everywhere, so we're at the Moose Lodge. So it's the cheapest place around. But you want to know my favorite feature, Blair?
I haven't looked yet, so I don't know.
It's the closet over there.
Oh, nice.
It's just an open air closet.
I mean, they utilize that space really
Yeah.
well because they could have just made the wall closed in,
Yeah.
and then you wouldn't have had it.
But it's
It's like living on trail again.
that's right.
Yeah.
It's inside. It's got air conditioning.
It does have air conditioning.
We're at Ocean Reef / Key Largo,
We're
and
at Key Largo.
Yeah.
We're
going to be mingling.
We'll make our way to Ocean Reef
Yeah.
tomorrow.
I'm wearing the readiest clothes I can wear.
No, you are not. There's a dress code, and I made sure that he had the right
Yeah.
clothing.
She made me bring more stuff than I planned.
Yep.
But it's okay.
It'll be fun. I'm ready for you to see everything in the daylight.
All right. Let's eat something.
Like,
Blair, have you checked out the breakfast nook?
I haven't yet.
What are you doing, sneaking around?
Yeah, I snuck this way earlier and she was completely quiet. And she dropped the burrito. And then I turned around and she picked up the burrito.
Come check out the breakfast nook.
Nice, huh?
We got the honeymoon suite.
I do got the honeymoon suite. Although it's an awkward size, they sure utilize every inch.
Yeah.
Drink my coffee in the morning.
The next morning, we went over to our friend's house, played some backgammon, did some puzzles. Piper took a nap. We hung out for a little while, enjoyed some company and time with everyone, and then we went to a late lunch, and then came back and watched an amazing sunset. The next morning, Blair's back at her running game again, signing up for the 5K run around Ocean Reef.
That was my fastest 5K yet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How fast do you run?
Woo. Under 25 minutes.
Cool.
I don't know my pace. Maybe like 8 something a mile. The first mile I went out way too fast.
You did?
I was running, and at the halfway mark I was at 7-minute pace. I was like, I should probably slow this down a little bit. My first one was like 7:30 or 7:40. How's your time at Ocean Reef?
Pretty.
There's
I'm looking at the best thing here.
Oh, yeah, right. The lagoon, that's what he's looking at. Woohoo! Tons of people today. New Year's Eve.
What'd you do?
2 sips in, and I spilt it.
Oh no,
And there's a bee.
a bee. Catch your phone.
Look at the size of that thing. He's huge. You bud? Cool.
We initially thought Blair was just extra tired from the travel and the day, but after a quick stop here, we realized why. Piper's about to have a heart attack because somebody's got fireworks outside, and Blair's just fed up with the day. Stupid COVID. Yep, that's right. The gift that keeps on giving. Plagued us for the remainder of our vacation. You trying to get a hitch?
Yeah. I would though. I've done it before, especially on New Year's Eve
Yeah?
when you're trying to leave the lagoon. What happened?
My curtain fell.
Nice job.
It ain't even a curtain, it's just a rod sitting on the thing.
Yep. You got a steal of a deal to stay here though.
Yep.
Pull too hard on that one.
And what the hell?
could grab one for everyone.
They can get their own.
Up with a hat. Sometimes I don't even get one to start out with.
It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. It's about to drop. I'm a champagne bottle and I'm about to pop. Cream of the crop. Gonna ride this rocket till I'm at the top. Curtains calling, take your seats. Lights, camera, action, baby. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime.
How's your ride with the roof off?
Refreshing.
Yeah. So Blair, how was your visit to Key Largo / Ocean Reef with COVID?
It was a different experience than usual.
Yeah. So we get here.
I slept
She slept for like 40 hours.
majority of the time.
I've
we were
got
here.
COVID too. Like my symptoms are as severe as hers, but
Well, you
I can-
haven't been diagnosed.
I can feel it. Well, it feels like a COVID I had last time. More so today than any other day.
I would not recommend it,
No.
but if I had to be sick somewhere, I think I'd rather want to be sick here.
It's been a good place to be sick.
Just
It just sucked. We didn't get to spend evenings with the families and the friends that we came down here to visit like we had planned. We have to visit with everybody outside. And not that it's not enjoyable to see everybody, but fun games that we like to play and do all that kind of stuff indoors and cook dinner together wasn't what we came to do. But anyway, still glad to be here. Still glad to come. Thank you to Sandy and Julie for bringing us on your adventure, as always. And the Jensens, it's always great to see you guys. We missed the Schneiders this time, but
Yeah.
we'll see them somewhere else.
sure will.
You see them chickens? Again. Again, damn it. I'm using it as a headboard. They're too long. By like 2 feet.
Seems a cute bird.
Well, you think, but I've been laying here for a long time. How did this happen? It's like missing teeth.
Just let's natural light it.
They could be like cut off. Piper is doing funny things. You really don't want you to perk over there.